Have you ever bought furniture but hated the wood grains and knew you wanted that raw wood finish? Let me show you an easy way to still accomplish it. Of course, I removed the hardware and cleaned the piece in its entirety. I also was sure to remove all of the drawers, vacuum inside, and wipe them clean as well. Luckily, these nightstands didn't have too much damage, just a few spots that needed patched up with some Bondo. Once that was cured, I sanded it down and then made sure to also scuff sand the entire piece using a 220 grit. Time for the fun part. I used this Retique It kit so I could mimic the wood grains that I actually wanted on this piece without having to sand everything down and start all over. You simply apply 2 coats of the wooden primer, then you do a coat of this gel stain, which I'm applying here, and run the wood graining tool through it. I repeated this entire process for both nightstands in the same exact order. Once you're done with that, it'll look a little something like this. I applied more gel stain after and top coated both pieces, and this is how they turned out. They turned out exactly how I was hoping. The wood grains really shine through, and that original hardware cleaned up is just stunning. Let me know what you guys think of this makeover, and be sure to follow along for more makeovers like this. Hey, bud, how much did I sell these nightstands for?
$40.